Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. And as rainy season is here, there's a lot of humidity in the air. I stay in Mumbai and I know you remember Monica's hair in when she was in Barbados, and the way her hair got frizzed out and fluffy. Exactly that. And in rainy season, a lot of Mumbai people or Mumbaikars, they face the frizzy hair problem. And if you are a Mumbaikar, you get me. I have come up with 5 everyday hairstyles for frizzy hair, and these hairstyles are very easy, and I'm not even kidding when I'm saying that it does not even take 10 minutes for me to make any of these hairstyles. So this video is going to be step by step for 5 different hairstyles that I have come up with. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first hairstyle that we are going to do is it's a half up and half down hairstyle, and I need to part my hair, but first I need to gather my bobby pins. So these are 3 that I'm taking, but I will end up using only 2 bobby pins. Now I have parted my hair where I like. You can do any part, middle part, side part, and just take the front section of the hair like I have taken here, and basically roll them away from your face and back of your head. So basically roll them and then pull out some sections so that it looks nice and fluffy, and you basically pin it in place at the back. Now I take another section on the other side, only the frontal section, and do the same thing, pull out those sections and pin it in the back. And when I'm pinning the second one, I will make sure that I do a crisscross, or sometimes I might go in with a third bobby pin. Now I just take out some hair to frame my face and basically flaunt this. This is so elegant and I love the way this hairstyle looks on me. Anybody can actually flaunt this hairstyle. Short hair, long hair, this looks great on everyone. The second hairstyle that I'm going to do is sort of a half up bun. So I'm just fluffing out my hair and just creating some volume here on the top of my head, and then I take section from the end of my eyebrows and take it up to the crown of my head and sort of grab all my hair and secure it with an elastic or a rubber band. So basically I am making sure that I am keeping my hair fluffy enough to give them a good volume, and I am pulling my hair like so. But that is not the hairstyle. I'm going to take the hair in the ponytail and make a bun out of it. Take another elastic and secure the bun in place and pull out the bun for more fluffier effect. You can keep the bun as it is, but I like this fluffy bun. It looks very elegant and romantic. And now I pull out some hair out to frame my face, and I love this hairstyle so much. It feels like I have done something for my hair, but I have not really done anything. It's just half a bun and it's very simple. It takes hardly 3 minutes for me to make, and I'm so sure that you will rock this one too. So the next hairstyle that I am going to do, the third one, is going to be space buns. I'm so excited. So I'm going to part my hair like so. It is close to a middle section, but it is not exactly a middle section because middle section does not suit me. So I just go a bit besides the middle section, and I grab all that hair like so, leave my hair for framing my face, and I tie a ponytail like that. This is so easy, isn't it? And I repeat the same thing
on the other side. I grab those sections, and because my hair are curly, I'm combing my hair with my fingers and then grabbing them and securing them with that hair tie. And once that is done, I fluff it out, I pull it out, and then what I do is I go ahead, make, oh, I forgot to remove the face framing hair, which I did, and now I am securing the bun with an elastic. So I repeat the same thing. I take the ponytail hair and I grab it, I put it around like this, I twist it and put it around like this, make it look like a bun, and then secure the bun with an elastic and then pull it out. Oh my god, look at that hairstyle. It looks like I've done something. It's just two buns. It looks so good. I love the way this looks so cute, like a cat. Okay, now the fourth hairstyle is not very intricate, but it looks very intricate though. For this hairstyle, I am parting my hair a bit at the side, but not a deep side cut, and I'm grabbing the frontal section of my hair. Now I'm just sectioning it roughly. You don't have to do it very precisely, you just have to do it roughly. And now I'm just taking two parts and twisting them across each other, and then I go on adding the sections like so from the front into the two parts, and then I keep twisting them and adding the sections. So this may look a bit intricate, but this is not, and trust me, when you do this is going to look so great. Now you can also go in and remove the face framing hair out, but I decided to go with a clean one because it looks really great like this. And you can also flaunt this look with Indian outfit. It looks amazing. It looks like you are the glam queen. So I do the same thing, I repeat the same thing in the second section as well. So I make two sections, twist it around each other, add one section, and then keep twisting it like so. And I just love the way this looks. This looks really great with some, if you're going out for a date or anything, this looks great for such an occasion. And basically I wrap my hair around the bobby pins that I have secured so that my bobby pins are not visible, and that's it. I love this look so much. For the next one and the last one, I kept the best for the last. I love this look. And again, I'm parting my hair in the middle. You can go for a straight middle part, but I part my middle part a bit to the side, and I'm going to make two sections and clip one away so that it does not come in the way. And guess what? I am doing a Dutch braid. Now if you don't know how to do a Dutch braid, you basically make three sections and you go side sections under, and you keep on adding those sections like I am doing. If you want me to do like a detailed video on how to do a Dutch braid, do leave it in the comment section below, because I feel Dutch braids can take your hairstyle game over the top, and I love the way Dutch braids look. Like, I know French braids are really good, but Dutch braids are unique. I love the way it looks. I keep on doing it till the nape of my neck, and then I continue braiding the section like so, and then secure it with an elastic. Now once it is secured, I go ahead, I pull out section to frame my face. Now over here I did a mistake, and when I pulled out, a few more hair came out, but good that I got to show you how I do those, how I correct those. So I take a bobby pin and I pin it below the Dutch braid. So Dutch braid is going to fan out. Now after I put the bobby pin in, I'm going to fan out the Dutch braid like this, and it is going to be secured once again, and you are just erasing your mistake here, and I love the way it looks so good. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So basically taking 3 sections, going side sections under and adding the sections from the side. And yeah, if this is difficult for you, then please do let me know so that I can help you out with this, and I can make another dedicated video for how to do Dutch braids. So please let me know in the comment section below. And this time I removed the face framing hair beforehand so that I don't have to mess up the braid. Lesson learned, you guys. So yeah, I continue doing it till the nape of my neck, and then coming down, secure my braid. After doing that, again I'm going in and pulling out the section. It is also called pancaking your braid, but I just call it pulling out because I'm pulling the sections out. Nothing fancy in that, but it looks very fancy. So yeah, once that is done, I sort of become ready to flaunt it and click pictures. I love this braid, and look how great this looks. Oh my god. And if you happen to recreate any of these hairstyles that I have shown in this video, then please do tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Pranali Nakti official.
So guys, if you stuck till this part of this video, then thank you so much for watching. And if you guys like this video and you want me to make more such videos, then leave a comment down below so that I can make more such videos for you guys. And smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification right next to it so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And with that said, I think I'll see you guys in my next. Bye.